here it comes, ladies and gentlemen. We're out now, outside of the hangar, and what a great sight it is. And last-minute preparations are being completed for the moment we have waited for so long. There are a number of important persons on board, and no doubt the new commander, Captain Max Frisch, is thrilled too, for this is his great moment, the first time he's commanded the Hindenburg. It's practically standing still now. They've dropped ropes out of the nose of the ship, past the motors of the ship itself, holding it just enough to keep it from... It burst into flame. It burst into flame and it's falling. Watch it. Out of the way. Get this, Charlie. It's fighting and it's crashing. It's crashing terrible. Oh my, get out of the way, please. It's bursting into flames and it's falling on the mooring mast. And all the folks agree that this is terrible. This is one of the worst catastrophes in the world. Oh, it's a place running 400 or 500 feet into the sky, and it's a terrific crash, ladies and gentlemen. The smoke and the flames now, and the flame is crashing to the ground, not quite to the mooring mast. All the humanity and all the prayers have been screaming around here. I don't do it. I can't even talk to people and friends who are out there.